Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. It's a simple thank you card. So let's get started. We're going to start with the stamping. The stamps that I'm going to use is this one called Sunny Sentiments. I'm going to use a thank you. And I'm stamping in Granny Apple Green. So I've got everything set up on my stamp apparatus here to make life a bit easier, hopefully. So let's give it a good stamp. Yep, that's lovely. Close this up. Now, magnet's super strong. I'm going to use these, the rectangle stitch dies, and these are they. You can see there's a ton of them, and I'm going to use this one here to cut this out. So I'm going to just do that, and then I'll be back. Okay, so our sentiment is cut out, as you can see. So let's start assembling our card. Our card base is basic black, so that's a standard A6 card base. So that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. This designer series paper that I'm sticking down is the beautifully penned, and it's a freebie during celebration. So for every £45 I spend, I get an item free from the celebration catalogue, and this is one of the items I got. So I thought I'd share it with you. I've used this before in other videos already. It's really pretty paper. And we used it in Car Club in August as well, because I hosted an online car club in my Facebook group. And we make projects like this together once a month via Facebook Live and have a lot of fun together. So you can check that out as well. There we go. All stuck down. Now our sentiments, let's see what I'm going to do. I think this time I'm just going to stick it down. Last time I popped it up, but this time I think I'm just going to wallop it down. Yeah, I prefer this side. Just like that. This is a really easy card to make. It just has quite a few layers, which is great. I love layering stuff, if you didn't realise. So there we go. These are the matte decorative dots, and they're new in the mini catalogue, and they are gorgeous. So let's use a few of these. Now last time I used these really light ones, as you can see. This time I'm going to go for these dark green. And I'm just using all three sizes. Trying to get them lined up, if at all possible. This one is so dinky, he's so small. Okay, so there are your two cards. Really quick, really simple thank you cards. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, I'd be grateful if you would give the project a thumbs up so YouTube know, and please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information about this project, the measurements, supplier list, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.